It's a beautiful morning. Look at the sunshine, but we had frost. Nonetheless, it's the most beautiful January I ever seen, you guys, here. Look at that. It's not cold. I think it was like 2 degrees minus or zero, something like that. Let's go to Canadian Tire. We're gonna need a couple of things from there, some supplies, and just enjoy this beautiful sunny day. And then we are going down to Langley and see what we got for you guys in the store today. So let's go. Okay, here we are. Let's go see if we find what we need. Check this out, you guys. This little bag here, I'll show you what I got. $200. And as you guys can see, there is also no fog. Today and tomorrow we're gonna have very minimum fog. There is a little bit, but not much, and looks beautiful. Here we go, you guys. I didn't film this yesterday, but as you can see, the boards are ready. They're nice and dry. We are cutting a hole in the floor for the heater. Now, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try, see. Well, there is one big hole. Now we have to make a trim to seal it up, and then we are good to install the heater. Now we are working on the skylight. Let's clean the roof and go from there. Well, here we are. It's working out. This is the moment. This is it. Just cleaning up all the cuts, make sure there is no burrs, and gonna do some cleaning. Cleaning all the surface pretty good is very important for good adhesion, like I don't know how to say it, like, for a good bond, basically, and make sure that there is no metal, no burrs all around it. And then let's put the sealant on it and install this skylight. Man, I've been waiting for this for a long time, and finally the time is here. Definitely there is challenges if you guys planning to, install a skylight or a roof vent, anything like that. It's doable, it's possible. It doesn't need to be a brain surgeon to be able to do something like that. But it's very critical to measure everything, have a visual where everything is gonna go. And then once you figure the right location out, just take your time, you know, cut the hole. And once everything is cut out, make sure you prime the fresh metal cut and clean everything nicely out from there. And yeah, you can do it. Make sure you seal it properly on the first time so you don't have to go back again and seal it so there is no leaks. Other than that, it's a walk in the park, piece of cake. You see the catch? Yeah. So right now I'm just using an acetone after I clean everything up to make sure that, the surface is perfectly clean. Okay. That's good to go.
Yeah. I need the screws that you're going to use. The nuts.
Huh?
Nuts. Nuts.
Make sure you take not the one, the lock, whatever. Here. You need a Okay, try to put them all like that first. Okay? I'm gonna go look for a wrench for this.
Watching tsunami.
You go up there, see. Very much. Very good progress. The skylight and the roof vent, it's installed, it's lap sealed, it's good to go. The ceiling boards are ready, they are all trimmed up. We cut the hole for also the heater. next step, we're gonna have all the electrical wiring, the necessary electrical wiring pulled all in, and we're gonna install the roof in the next one. But thanks for riding along, you guys. This was an awesome day. We'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day or evening or night. Peace out. See you in the next one. Till then, all the best.